Hi everyone! In this video we're going to talk about how to cancel your Spotify premium account. But first let's hit that subscribe and like button, it really helps me out. Now, if you have a premium account and you want it to be over, or you have a free trial and you don't want to pay, this video is for you. The key thing here is that you don't open this Spotify app on your iPhone or Android phone. You open it on the web browser. So let's open up Safari, Google Chrome, and type in Spotify.com. So I'm typing in Spotify.com and go. So important here is don't Google it and type it in, because if you go to Google and type it in and click on the Spotify link, then you will be redirected to the Spotify app. But by doing so, go direct to Spotify.com. Then I'm going to click on the three lines on top, right top here. Click and I scroll down till see account. Let's click on that. And then I need to scroll down until I see that I am part of the premium family. So all I have to do now is to click on cancel premium. When I do so, it will ask me, are you sure to cancel your premium? And all you need to do is click on yes, cancel. And this will cancel your premium account. Now keep in mind, you have to be on the web and not in the application. And you can always switch back to your premium account. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you.